Travailler pas hier.
What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna be unboxing my window louvers. I got them in already. So yeah, this is gonna be cool. We're gonna put them on the Mustang. They're black though. But yeah, I mean they're gonna look pretty beast mode, I'm not gonna lie. They're in flat black. But we gotta paint them. I need to paint them and stuff. So I'll paint them for you guys next week and we'll put them on the car.
That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So, like a couple seconds ago, we saw a GoPro time lapse. If the GoPro time lapse, I don't know if that recorded yet or not. But yeah, that's how it came out. We painted them, they paint matched. It came out pretty amazing. Now I'm just gonna prep it, stick it, and put them on outside for you guys. It's not really hard, so yeah, let's move on to this. So for this, you're gonna need one of the alcohol prep pads. You're gonna prep down one of all the spots. You're gonna alcohol all the spots here, and a spot outside on the window. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And then I'm going to show you guys the next step, which is the stickies, which is not really hard at all. So we're going to prep it down, and I'll move on.
I used to run with you through the great big leaves. Laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. By the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me.
Okay, so now I'm going to put the adhesive. I'm just going to adhesive all the corners like I did with the alcohol. You're going to adhesive the corner, you're going to adhesive the window, and then you're just going to line them and stick them. I'm going to show you guys that in a bit, so I'm going to adhesive this too. Okay, so I adhesived all of them. Now I'm going to put these on, these little 3Ms. You just peel whatever side you want. Just peel one side, lock it in place. So a long one goes there, and then the 5 ones go here, like that. But you gotta stick them on. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna stick them on, and we're good. After the adhesive, you stick them on. So let's do that. Just like that, you get a whole new look. It's really simple, really easy. The only hard part was painting. We had to prep them and paint them, but other than that, we matched it perfectly. It's matched perfectly on the color. So if it's dark here, it's dark here. It's light here, it's light here. It's perfectly matched the paint. And so later on, I'll go back and paint match my new hood, because that hood was weird. But yeah, gives the car a whole new side profile. When you look sideways, gives it a brand new side profile. So yeah, it's Jake here. Hope you guys appreciate this small little video. I am out. Take care and peace. Wait, guys! Don't click away. I forgot to do this. Today's Instagram shout out was be on top right here. This Instagram shout out goes to Mr. Cortez 916 and his Grabber Orange Mustang GT2 Val. So go follow him on Instagram, and if you want a chance to enter this weekly shout outs, you can go ahead and use the hashtag GStankDang on the screen right here, and I got you. So now, guys, I like to say take care. I am out. Have a good one and peace.